Here I have LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password, pattern or whatever, and now you just can't unlock your device because you forget it and stuff. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see logo appeared, release power key and keep holding only volume up. When you see this no command message and robot just laying down, hold down volume up and press power key once. In the following menu, using volume keys to volume down to navigate and volume up to select, you should select an option wipe data factory reset, then select yes, delete all user data. And after you see the message data wipe complete, you should select the first option reboot system now, and after that device will be restarted in about a few minutes and there will be no lock screen password anymore. So yeah, now let's reboot, and device will be rebooted within a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.